What is this? This is such a flimsy sari. It is so slippery. He calls me nonsense. What? He calls me nonsense and he has got me a flimsy and slippery sari. Isn't this a nonsense thing to do? And he has given me 10 minutes to get ready. I hate this. Oh Lord, why are you putting me into such trouble? Is this not nonsense?
Mithai? Mithai, are you ready? What is wrong with you? Have you gone crazy or something? Will you go out for dinner like this?
Then what should I do? I cannot wear this sari at all. This is such a flimsy and dull sari. It's so slippery. See for yourself. Actually, Sister Nipa and Sister Shri used to dress me up whenever needed. Who is here for me? I cannot wear this.
Hey, listen, just hold it. Hold it. I don't like this drama any longer. Wait, let me find a way to wear a sari. Hello? Yes, sir. Sir, I'll just be there. We're just coming. Yeah. Just 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Yeah. Yes. Mithai, hurry up. Hurry up.
Siddharth, I cannot do all this. Please relieve me. I'm leaving. Leaving.
What's happening here, Mithai? What will sir think? He'll think we had a fight. Have you ever thought about my position? Just stand here quietly and control your hands. Let me see. Wait. Put this inside.
What?
This. Tuck it in.
Okay.
Wow. I guess we've managed the entire thing. Nice. Now, arrange the loose end.
What?
Pin this. Pin this now.
It is done.
Okay, now pin it up. Do as she's doing it. Look, the way she's doing it. What are you doing with that? Don't you even have a safety pin with you?
How would I have it? Am I?
Okay, I'll manage something. Look here. Better. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Hey, come. Mithai is looking so beautiful. Wow, your sari is very beautiful. Who has given it? Siddharth.
What?
Siddharth, how did you buy a women's dress?
What do you think about my junior? You know he's a modern boy. You know what? Everything can be bought on internet these days. Hey, sit down, please. Come on,
sit,
both of you.
Sit, please.
Your aunt visits 10 shops and buys saris after a thorough inspection.
Did you notice, Mithai? Husbands tend to tease their wives at the first chance they get. Okay, Siddharth, are you also like your boss? No, Mithai is a really sweet girl. What happened?
Sorry, ma'am.
Why? Isn't Mithai a sweet girl? Listen, say something to your junior now.
No, ma'am. You don't have to say anything. Actually, you don't know Mithai properly as yet.
Aunt, you know what? Mithai has promised herself not to talk too much. Otherwise, Mithai would have given a suitable reply.
Mithai, I'm sure Siddharth warned you not to talk much before coming here. But you speak without any fear. Say whatever you want to. I'm Siddharth's boss. I'll take care of him.
Yes, speak up.
I don't know what this express train will do now.
You know what, uncle? If a person doesn't know any other words but only nonsense, then what can be done?
Oh my, Mithai is so witty. So Siddharth, is the word nonsense your pet phrase?
Yes, he does.
Great observation. Yes, he does. Hey, put some food on Mithai's plate. Siddharth, help
Right.
yourself.
Mithai, I have intentionally ordered these food items today so that you eat properly. Have it now. Mithai. In fact, you can eat with your hands. I will also eat with my hands.
Ah, really? Should I eat with my hands? Won't anyone say anything?
No, eat.
What are you doing?
Why, Siddharth? What is the problem in eating with your hands? Okay, do you know this is our tradition? Do we not eat with our hands at our homes? Strange. Do we become officers after coming to restaurants? Eat, Mithai. Look, I'm also eating with my hand. Eat.
Aunt, uncle, you both are really good-hearted people. In such a short time, you have accepted Mithai.
And Mithai, you by addressing me as your auntie and Siddharth sir as uncle have developed a good bond with us. What about that? Now eat. Eat.
This is so embarrassing. I don't know who all might be looking at us. When will I get rid of this circus? I don't know. Mithai,
Hmm?
I will manage to stay here in the lobby tonight. I'm not sure if I'll get a room tonight, so I'll just go and check. You can stay here.
If uncle finds out, he will feel hurt.
Yes, but I'm not very sure if we both can stay together over here.
Oh dear. Why do we have to stay together? I have already decided where to sleep tonight. There, in the bathroom, in the bathtub. I will sleep there.
You want to sleep in the bathroom?
Yes.
What?
Here it is. See here.
You'll sleep here. Mithai, this is called a bathtub. Bathtub. People lie in there to bathe.
What? Oh, now I get it. Sophisticated people want to bathe in the pond. That's why they need a bathtub in the washroom. Rich people have such strange fancies. We used to bathe in the pond. Anyway, it's dry. I'll sleep here. Not to worry at all.
Mithai, stop this nonsense. Stop this nonsense.
Oh my. Nonsense means what?
Mithai, nobody sleeps in the bathtub. You don't have coordination in your hands and legs. And then you would put your hands everywhere. The sari will also get wet. Would you like that? I can't tolerate this kind of drama. I'm warning you.
Why? Do I always do drama?
Just do as I'm asking you to do. Give me the pillow.
Hey! What is this? If I sleep here, then you have to go outside, right? And I will not tolerate this drama at all. Because someone will go home and say, "Ha! Because of this girl, I got a cold. Ha!" No, I mean, Mithai won't let it happen. That's why Mithai will go and sleep in the bathtub.
What do you want? Do you want me to go crazy? Is that what you want? Tell me.
Oh no! Why would I want grandfather's grandson to go mad? I actually wanted to give you the solution. That day when your car broken down, Mithai is the one who gave you a solution.
Enough. This drama will go on for the entire night. I'm tired. I can't take it any longer. Listen, I'll sleep on that side and you'll sleep here. But this is just for tonight. Do you understand? But after returning home, don't try to stay in my room. Step aside.
As if I'm dying to stay in Mr. Bitterguard's room. I sleep comfortably in Sister Shree's room. I sleep so well there. Sister Shree has a beautiful room.
What happened? Why are you staring at me? What's going on in your mind? Tell me. It's definitely something silly. Go to sleep. What's wrong? Turn to that side. That side.
He himself is moving on the bed. That's nothing. If Mithai does anything, that is nonsense. Who does more drama? Oh, Lord knows it very well.
This is not right. I wonder what the girl is thinking. Again, I have to clarify to her that the drama happening here is not real.
If someone sees him now, who would say this man is Mr. Bittergaard? All he does is scold me. No, Mithai. Take your bath and get ready before Mr. Bittergaard wakes up.
What have you done to yourself? Why have you spilled so much of water on the floor?
Bathing there is an impossible task. No need. This water is so clean.
Mithai, this is a swimming pool. People come here to swim.
Okay. I can bring some water from the pool. There will be no problem. It's such a big pond. Yes, let me go there. I have to arrange a bucket now. Oh, this is such a weird place. There is no bucket here. Let's go. Oh Lord, where have you brought me? I cannot find a bucket anywhere. Is it nice to not bathe in the morning? I won't take bath in that washroom. I have to find a bucket. Yes, yes. Bucket, yes. Oh Lord, thank you. Brother, I'm taking the bucket. I want
what are you doing, ma'am?
this. Yes.
Mithai, what are you doing?
Hey Siddharth, you are awake. See, after yesterday's incident in the bathroom, I thought it better to get water from here. Actually, I can't do any work until I take a bath. Oh my, what is this? Where are you taking me? Huh?
I'm extremely sorry.
Sorry? Why are you saying sorry? What is there to be sorry about? I have only taken one bucket of water from this swimming place.
Just keep quiet. Quiet! You will not utter a word now. You come with me.
Oh my
I won't
bucket.
listen to anything you
Won't
say.
I take my bath?
I'll leave you home right now
The
and I'll tell
water-
Grandpa about all this. You've crossed all the limits today.
I did not
Just keep
understand.
quiet.
Actually, yesterday Sandy told me that people swim in the swimming pool. So I went there to get water to bathe. Taking water from there would be considered so bad. I didn't know about it.
Did I not ask you to shut your mouth? You have no right to open your mouth. Actually, it's my fault. I should have known you would take revenge on me.
Revenge?
Today I'll go home and tell Grandpa about all this. I can't carry on with this fake relationship anymore, Mithai. Last night I tolerated the fiasco at dinner, but not today. Impossible. I don't care who gets hurt.
If Mr. Bittergaard says all this to grandfather, he will be completely shattered. Why did I commit such a huge mistake? Why?
Hey, where is Mithai? Bring some tea for me.
Mom, did you see that? We have developed such bad habits.
Means?
Didn't you see how Dad is calling Mithai? We have completely forgotten that Mithai is not at home. All day Mithai and Mithai.
But Appa,
Hmm?
ultimately Sid and Mithai went on a honeymoon. That means now they will finally begin to bond.
Mom, there is no need to discuss about this topic. The reason why Siddharth asked Mithai to go is very insulting.
What's this? You only asked me not to speak in front of anyone and keep it a secret, and now you are blurting it out.
Shri, what is the matter? Tell me. Huh?
Leave it. This is between Siddharth and Mithai. Why are you getting involved?
No, Brutin. It would have been peaceful had we just left the matter here only. But I really love Mithai a lot. What happened at the hotel yesterday? Tell me honestly.
Dad, Siddharth took Mithai at the hotel to help him. But what happened after that? Tell me.
And Torsha was there at the hotel.
What?
Shh.